Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of my cash market trade which I took last week. The stock is JK Tire. I deployed around 62 lakhs in this trade and made a profit of 8 lakhs, which is like 12% in just 2 days. I exited in just 2 days because of certain reason which I'm going to explain you in the chart. Before I explain you the technical part, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. This is the pattern. If you look at JK Tire's history, it has been on this kind of a expansion channel and it has been taking support. A very good move during 2020. I'm pretty much sure that I think I took a trade in this one couple of years back, or a year or 1.5 years back, and then a lot of consolidation, kind of a relief move, again a consolidation, right? And again from this June it has been on a very good trend from 110 level till 180, and ever since couple of months back, which is 16th of September, it has been on a very good sideways trend, and been keeping a tab on this. Okay, and so this is a perfect triangle pattern. So what happened, I set an alert, and when this was happening I was closely watching it, and then on this day it never closed with volume, or there was a wick basically, so I couldn't enter. It's not wrong to enter with a stop loss below this, but again I don't want to take some risk, so I waited for the breakout, and on this day the breakout happened and I kind of entered right in the beginning itself, somewhere around here. I will just paste my screenshot so that you could refer my entry and exit. So exactly here I did post it, which is here. This is when I entered also in our community, and you can see that people made money, some 8%, 14%, which is even more than me, because I exited exactly around 12%. So I deployed around 68 lakhs and made a profit of 8 lakhs profit, 12%. So as I said, why did I exit in 2 days? I have this habit of exiting quickly when things move fast. Okay, if I'm reaching 12% in a day or two, I'm gonna exit. I've said this in different videos as well, because there were trades where I tried to hold even after a quick move of 12-15%, and then normally what would happen is a profit booking, and again it will start to consolidate a lot, so which is not kind of an efficient way of trading. So this time I thought I would exit at 12%, so that is what I did. I kind of entered here, okay, and kind of exited here. So again the price is kind of moving, and if you want to enter again, you could enter. The target would be this one, which is 230, but I'm done with this trade because I booked 8 lakhs profit. I don't want anything more than that in couple of days, especially in cash market. And in case if you are planning to enter, what you have to do is obviously put your stop loss below this wick, and if you are willing to take this risk, you can aim for this trend line. Okay, for now I think I'm done. Probably what could happen is it can retrace again, some kind of a consolidation before it starts to move up. So this is a very textbook, no twist and turns, a very simple breakout from the triangle pattern. Rarely I come across easy setup like this, but most of the time when I trade triangle channel or trend line, there will be some twist and turns, and I have to manage that. Correct. This time it is a textbook trade, and I'm happy that I took this trade, and also a few of my members made money. And if you want to be a part of the community, equity community, just go to justfortraders.in and you can trade setups like this, and recovery of course fee is very easy. As I said, JK Tire, it will test this trend line, and probably it will take some consolidation, so wait for it. If you want to take a trade, you can go for it, but make sure to put your stop loss below 191. If you feel that the stop loss is huge, don't take the trade or reduce your position. It's as simple as that. Yeah, I pretty much it, guys. The analysis part, I'm sure you have seen this pattern again and again. That would be all, and if you have any doubts, please make sure to comment, and also please make sure to like this video, and yeah, see you soon with another video. Thank you so much.